most TVs have multiple input sources. To be able to change between these, you can actually use your BTES remote control. There's a button labeled TV Video that is used when in conjunction with the TV button. So what we do is press the TV button to put it into TV mode, and then we can use the TV Video button to then bring up the menu and change through the inputs. Now, depending on the TV that you have, you may see a screen like this on a Samsung. A Vizio may bring up a different screen, but the buttons should work the same on all TVs to give you that menu to be able to switch between your different video modes. If, by instance, you're trying to watch IPTV and you have a black screen or some sort of a no input screen, this is a great thing to check, is to press that and then scroll through your video sources. Generally, your IPTV is going to be on an HDMI, so you'll scroll through your HDMI inputs until you see your IPTV. Again, some TVs will detect the HDMI. This only has one connected to it, so it's showing just a single HDMI input. Once you find that source that you want, then you press OK, and then always press STB to go back to this set-top box mode of the remote control.